Hello, I'm Mrs. Bass. I'm your Spanish teacher for this semester. I wanted to welcome you to second semester. I hope that you are renewed after the break and that everybody's doing good. Let me introduce myself by showing you a little bit about me. Let's move this here. Okay, so uh, this is about me. I have a bachelor degree in Spanish and English. I have been teaching for 26 years, and 15 of those years have been with Union County, and 12 years, almost 13 years, with Puerto Rich Middle. This is my family. Um, that's Mr. Bass right there. And these are our children, and these are our four-leg children that we really love. This is Bella and Max. This is Sarah, Jimmy, Lena, and Morgan. And this is a picture of my siblings. They live in Colombia. Well, my sister doesn't live in Colombia anymore because she passed. But this is my brother, my sister-in-law, and my brother-in-law. We took those pictures in Colombia when I went visiting. And here's another part of my family, my niece and nephew. This is my other niece, my other nephew, and this is my stepson, the oldest. And that's basically my family. So let's talk a little bit about the class. Well, for this class, I'm going to make a video every time that you have class with me. And we're going to watch that video at the beginning of the class so you know what you expected to do. I try to make it as clear as possible, but we're still connected. So if you have any questions, you can ask me, and I'll be glad to help you. You can reach me via email. You can reach me with a text or a phone call on the number that I have created for the class. And you can also talk to me during class, ask me questions, and usually we are gonna do our work together. So while we are working, you can ask me the questions. So that's it. I just want to welcome you again, and I hope to see you every class, and I hope that we can have a very successful semester. I will be recording video, excuse me, with the activity for today. So I'll see you there. Adios.